Oh mon Dieu! Woohoo! Fight, fight! Fight for food! It's a fight for food! I gave them bread and then they're fighting for it.
This salmon?
It's carps.
Carps?
Yeah, they told me it's carps. It's a river fish. Yeah. They're so heavy and huge.
They're well fed, that's for sure.
Yes.